Hi there, it's compost week, so I thought I'd show you my compost area that I've got at my home garden. It's not at the allotment. I just want to save the space for growing veg there, so I've got a space at home which is just full of shade, and I've created this compost area which isn't pretty, but it works for me. I'll show you. So I've got a few bin areas here, so this one's pretty full. It needs turning over, so I'll do that today. Be putting it into here, and I've got an area here which has got some wood chip, so I like to mix the wood chip in with it as well. So this area here is normally full of builders bags of leaf mould, but I didn't get any this year. And what I'm doing here is, this is all my topsoil, so I'm reviving it with some nice bags of double strength wool compost from Dalesford, and some more compost, peat free of course, that was gifted to me by Bronte. So this is my compost for my tomatoes and all the other stuff that's in the greenhouse. And then this bit is full of my hazel pea sticks and bean sticks at the back. I've had these for a few years now, so they're quite brittle, but they're still usable. This is full of bags which I use to collect manure and wood chip, and then that's it. So I'll move back a little bit just to show you. It's not pretty, as I said, but it works. And then I've got some garden veg waste and some chicken waste to mix up with my compost. Right, that'll do for the time being. I'm going in for a nice cup of tea. Phew.